Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Maria and today I'll be showing you how I revived two of my old wigs and turned them into this. And just keep watching to see how I did it. These are the supplies I used and they'll also be listed in the description box. And right now I'm just starting on my 613 wig. Just starting with cleaning up the lace because it was really grimy. And this one was the split dye wig, so I'm parting it as straight as possible to make sure like the dye is just seamless. So I applied the black dye to half of the wig and I let that process for about 20 minutes. And then I went ahead to wash it and rinse it out. And I used purple shampoo on the blonde side of the wig, but I liked how it looked at this point. So I wouldn't recommend doing it if you want it to be blonde, like more blonde than gray. So that was first mistake. Well, there's multiple, but still. Okay, so after a few minutes, I didn't keep this on for too long. Just kind of looked through the hair and make sure like it was kind of all processed. And I went ahead and rinsed that out. And as you see, I'm putting the purple shampoo in again, which I really shouldn't have done for how I wanted it. And then I just put a little bit of shampoo in the hair and washed it. And this, oh my gosh, it looks so good wet. Like, just look at it after I'm done like brushing it and washing it. Oh my god, look at this. I had to slow it down because it was crazy. Look at that, bro. Look at this. Okay, it's coming, it's coming. Yo, look at that. It looks so good. But then obviously that blonde side turned gray and I hated it, but it also still looks good at the same time, so I'm not too mad at it. But if you want it blonde, don't use purple shampoo. So once I'll be using the purple shampoo, I also ended up like boiling the wig, so I would not recommend, because I thought I needed to use hot water instead of like cool for the silicone mix, but that's not the case, so don't do what I did. So this is my second wig, and right here I'm just preparing to like cut it, because for this wig I needed to cut it before I like dyed it because it was the ends, so there was no point in like cutting it first, or not cutting it first, dyeing it all first and then I have to cut the ends, so that just wouldn't make any sense. So I had to cut it, and really again I wouldn't follow me because I'm not doing it like any particular way. I'm literally just cutting it, like trying to match up both sides and stuff, and that's really it right here.
Sit on the floor. That's what I was doing.
I just wanted to like. Nerd. So that's what you're doing?
What?
Pookie? A wig?
What are you saying right now? I'm confused.
No, the wig, because you were like, yeah, and that's what you said about a wig, and you have all these wigs. Think about it, if you just literally did a wig and not a sew-in.
Yeah.
Any other hairstyle.
Yeah, I was thinking about that though, but then I was like, it kind of defeated the purpose, because, you know, the lace and stuff.
I know, right? But you don't, here's the thing, how about I do the...
So this might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I was feeling myself with this wig. Like even right here, like I liked it. I liked how it looked right here. When I look back, I'm like, honestly, I should have kept it like that instead of dyeing it. But it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I like these layers, and when you style them, it just looks even like better. But that's it. And I'm going into dyeing. Because with this wig, I started with like basically like a bleach bath, and just showing you everything. I put it in this container, I filled it with hot water, and I just soaked the wig in it, as you'll see in the next few clips. Here I cut back to the split dye wig, and I'm just trying to do like the silicone mix right this time. I put the silicone mix on, and you're like supposed to put it in like a bag or something like that, so like the heat is like concealed. I'm not really sure how to explain it, but like just like put it in a bag to let it like process, and then after you're done, rinse it with cool water, not boiling hot like me. So this wig, the dyed tips wig, it finished its first process, so I washed it with the purple shampoo, because this one is the one that I actually wanted to be like more gray, I think, or something, like just more blonde, to be honest. But anyways, I'm just doing that. I had to slow it down because look, wow. Now I'm starting to dye the tips here, and to be honest, this was a very, very messy job. Like, I as you can see, I'm doing it so uncoordinated and just like all over the place, literally holding the wig up, trying to assess where the ends are, because this was so difficult, to be honest, bro. Like, don't recommend doing it like that at all. I honestly recommend probably doing it dry, because you can see the ends better, but I persevered and I finished it, so
Alright, now let's get into this hair. Like, oh my gosh, like, I know some people probably looking at these layers like, what the fudge? Honestly, I vibe with it. It's me, whatever. I mean, I like it. Even like this, it's kind of cute. You know? With like the right outfits or wigs. So as you can see, like my lace, it's like showing or whatever. And I don't care because I don't glue down wigs and I like bangs. So yeah, that's just my little story right there. But I just did my nails. Are they cute? Oh my gosh. Bro, get you some press-ons. Make sure they're all see-through like mine though. Like, yeah. My nails, they're not dirty. They just died. Like, they got dyed by like hair dye. Hair dye. Okay, before anything gets said, listen, I couldn't do the roll up because it's not attached to my head really. So like, it was gonna just keep slipping like that, and it's like, so I just had to do like a little, like that. Like I was brushing it. But I'm gonna be real, why did it look good like this too? I don't know. Maybe that's just how I'm seeing it, but I like styles like this. This is cute to me. So
For this wig, because it had been like a couple days in between, I did these curler things. Like, I don't know what to really call them. My sister gave me this little set that she bought off Amazon. But if I get questions about it, like I'll link it or send it and figure out where exactly it's from on Amazon. Also, I'll be doing a makeup look, or a video for this makeup look I'm done. But yeah, stay tuned for that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.